How to insert a video on PowerPoint presentation. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to easily insert a video on your PowerPoint presentation. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let us jump right into the video. The very first thing you need to do is open up your PowerPoint presentation. So just type in PowerPoint and it will open it up. Now you can just create a blank presentation. So just click on it. And now you've created a blank presentation. You can choose your style and your theme if you want. So I'm going to add a new slide right here. So if you want to insert a video, photo, or anything, you just want to head over to the Insert tab first. Now, if you want to insert pictures, you can insert pictures from here. But if you want to insert a video, you can find it on the media section on the top right corner. So if you have a screen recording, you can insert it directly here. If you want to record your screen, you can do that from here. And if you want to insert a video, you can do that here. So I'm just going to insert a online video from here, or you can also use stock videos from PowerPoint presentation itself. So you can search for stock video. For example, if I just click on this video, I'm just click on insert, and the video will be inserted to your tab. Now, if you just play it, the video will start playing whenever you get to that slide. So it's as easy as that. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.